The figure shows the graph of a periodic function f in the xy plane. What is the frequency? So this is kind of doing backwardsy things. So let's put it this way. Usually when you're given a function that is a sine, the number in front of your angle, so if it was like sine 3x, that 3 is your frequency. However, the frequency is not the period. They're not the same thing. The way you calculate the period is going to be 2 pi over your frequency. Now, I don't want the period. I want the frequency. So if we, divide both sides by p and multiply both sides by f, you get basically the same exact function where 2 pi divided by the period will get you your frequency. So let's find the period. The period is how long a cycle lasts. So if we take the tippy top of this 2, right, and find the other tippy top, which appears to be 10, it looks like the period is 8. So if the period is 8, the frequency is going to be 2 pi over 8. 2 over 8 simplifies to 1 over 4. So the frequency is going to be pi over 4, which is u.